Hey folks, good afternoon to all. This is R. Uday Banu, belongs to Cement High School, Nandal District, Andhra Pradesh, India. Today I am going to show you how to prepare a Flappy Bird game, and today I am going to show you how to prepare a Flappy Spider-Man. So I want to beautify this game. That is the reason I replaced the Flappy Bird with Spider-Man. And let me show you the code for that program. So it's already been done. You please observe it. So yes, where is that? Yes, Flappy Spider-Man. Yeah. So yes. So here in this program, we have to write three codes. We have to write three codes. As we know that first, just observe here. First, we have to write the code for sprite, that is Spider-Man, and second one we have to write the code for poles or whatever the things that we use here, and the third one is the last thing. So here we have to develop three codes. So let me start with the code with first Superman. So here see, first we have to set the initial positions. For setting initial positions, we have to use setx and sety function. So sprite.setx and sprite.sety. Here you can get that exact positions. So here it is -2, 1, 4, and here it is -10. So this is the position, the starting position of the Spider-Man. So to use or to get all the functions that are related to hand detection, human body detection, here we are using the function that is hand is equals to pose net. Basically you'll get hand is equals to pose net. As we don't need that pose, that is the reason we are directly using hand is equals to pose net. So after that, what is the next step? Earlier program, we know that to use any video, to analyze any video, we have to turn on the camera by using a function, and we need a box, that means boundary box, for the image that we're gonna analyze. So for this, I'm using hand.video function is equals to, I want to turn on the video, that is the reason here I'm using on function. And finally see here, so here we are setting transparency. Why we need to set this transparency is nothing but, so in the background we should also observe what is happening here. We have to use our hand, we have to control that sprite by using our hand. That is the reason I'm giving the 65% of the transparency. Next we know that enable box, and the function here it is true function, while function. So while loop, so to convert a code into forever loop, a loop into forever loop, here we are using while loop. So the second step is it has to analyze the hand. That is the reason we are using analyzed hand function. And the function it is, if hand is detected, what it has to do, it has to set the position, that means x and y positions, according to our hand positions. So for that, get hand positions is a function that we use, and those function is related to set x and set y. This is a simple program that we use for sprite. Next one, the program we have to develop for pole. So take this pole program. So here it is a pole. So here timing should be there. So for that we are importing time function. Next we are defining move function. So next we know that go to xy function. So what is that? Sprite go to xy means the initial positions of the of the yes pole. Next, as we are using time function, time is equals to yes time dot sleep, that let it take for 1 second. Next, again sprite should go to another position. So for that, what we have to do, again sprite should go to xy. Again we can use the increased values at the next position. Again sleep function time dot sleep. So as we know that again we have to use while loop. While is equals to, if sprite is touching Superman, yes. So this pole, if we touch this pole to that Spider-Man, that means yes, Superman or Spider-Man, whatever it is. So this should say that game over. So yes, for that we have to use that sprite say function game over for 4 seconds, and we have to break the loop. And here you have to remember that the important thing is that here how many poles are there? 3 poles are there. So for that we don't need to develop a program 3 times. Just you duplicate, just right click on it, you just press on duplicate. So again with the same code you will get one more sprite. You just change the values, initial positions and final positions, and even again you have to duplicate the sprite, and you can give different initial values and increased values. The code will be same for 3 poles, just you have to change the positions. And finally the thing is that here we have to keep a barrier, so that if the sprite touches that barrier, it will say that you have to go to next level. So for that reason I am using here a magic band. So for that again you know that hand.postnet, the function which we use. And again see here the simple function, if sprite is touching this Superman, that means if Superman touches this magic wand, what it has to do, immediately the video should be get turned off, and it has to show that go to next level. So here we have a function and all. So just we will see that output, and just I'm running that function. Yes, yes, you can show here, you can see here. Yes, yes, see, yes, carefully we have to do. Yes, yes, go to next level. Thank you for watching, please subscribe and share. Thank you.